Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the popular book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, recommends that investors consider buying Bitcoin. He believes Bitcoin can act as a safeguard during uncertain times in the financial world. Kiyosaki wants people to know that Bitcoin is controlled by the people rather than by governments or banks.
Whereas what Bitcoin, gold, and silver are, they're not controlled by anybody.
This means that its value depends on the trust and demand from individuals, making it less influenced by central bank actions. Bitcoin's limited supply and increasing popularity make it an attractive option to protect against inflation. Kiyosaki isn't the only one who sees promise in Bitcoin. Experts describe it as a game changer in the financial world, capable of reshaping our traditional understanding of money and investments. The recent support for Bitcoin ETFs by the Securities and Exchange Commission suggests increasing acceptance and a positive market outlook. Given the current economic trends, Kiyosaki predicts that Bitcoin's value could reach as high as $150,000. However, it's essential to remember that Bitcoin's price fluctuates. Right now, it is trading between $42,000 and $43,000. Bitcoin's decentralized nature and potential to preserve value make it an attractive option. While risks are involved, Kiyosaki's endorsement highlights Bitcoin's increasing acceptance and its growth potential. Investors can make informed decisions about their financial future by keeping an eye on Bitcoin market movements. Start investing with a free trading platform, get up to 15 free stocks, and earn 5.1% APY. Click now on the link in the description. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Watch the next video.